Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, really simple eggplant, tomato pasta, touch of chili, vegan. Let's get on with it. Alright, so this is super easy. I've got one eggplant there. I've cut it into kind of nice big size pieces. Cut it how you want. 1 can of tomatoes, 1 onion, 100 grams of tomato paste, half a dozen or 6 olives. You can use green or black. I'm using black. Teaspoon of chili flakes, teaspoon of oregano, tablespoon of chopped garlic. Any pasta that you like. I'm going with that fusilli. Get that cooked. I'm going to start this off with some olive oil, add salt and pepper. That's it. Super easy, super delicious. Okay, so I've got my pan. I've got some olive oil in there. We're going to drop in our onion. I've got the heat on quite high. Just put it on now. So we're going to fry these for about 3 minutes. Okay, there you go. That's about 3 minutes. Now, it looks like I've got quite a lot of oil in there. I have. Use less if you want, but we're now going to drop in our eggplant. I kind of like the oil with this eggplant. It will actually soak it up quite a bit. What we're going to do is stay on this high heat, stirring all the time now, about 4 minutes. This is really simple and really delicious. Really beautiful. I love this. Okay, we're now going to add in our garlic. I didn't add it earlier because it will just burn very quickly because it's cut quite small. Salt. Black pepper. Then I'm going to add a little bit of chili flakes and oregano. I'm going to add those olives whole. Now here we go. We're going to go with that 1 can of tomatoes. The tomato paste. Fantastic. All right, the heat's going to go down to not a simmer but above, like a kind of in between a simmer and a medium. And just let that go now for about 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. And there we go. Rich and thick and beautiful. Let's now get our cooked pasta in there. I'm using fusilli. You could be using something else if you wanted, like a penne or something. I'm going to mix that in. Turn the heat up a little bit. About 3 minutes because this pasta's cold. So I'm just going to throw the pasta around in this really lovely deep tomato sauce. And then I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Look, really super easy, beautiful tomato, nice rich deep tomato sauce, eggplants, touch of chili. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.